Naghahanap ka ba ng pagkakakitaan pero hindi mo alam kung paano magsimula? Meron akong alam na e-commerce business platform na napakadali lamang gamitin at within few weeks lamang ay kikita ka na. Marami na actually ang nag-join dito and I've seen successful stories about their experiences myself. Marami na ang kumita at marami pa rin ang patuloy na kumikita dahil dito. Kaya itry mo na rin. Kahit sino ka pa at kahit ano ka pa at kahit saan parte ka ng mundo, pwede kang sumali. Curious ka ba kung ano ito? Eto na nga ang online business platform na may concept na dropshipping ay walang iba kundi ang Sitaw. Dito, pwede kang maging seller without stressing yourselves with having your own products, promoting your stores, packaging your orders, and other factors kung bakit mahirap magtayo or mag-manage ng business. Pero paano nga ba mag-join? Madali lang yan. I am Matt and I will walk you through as you start your journey on Sitaw. Your journey will start as you visit our website which is www.sitaw.com. Meron din mobile application na pwede nyo i-install using your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So pwede nyo na magamit ang Sitaw kahit nasaan ka pa at kahit anong device pa ang gamit mo. Convenient, di ba? Now, ituturo ko muna kung paano mag-register through the website. And later on, ipapakita ko rin kung paano mag-join kapag cellphone naman ang gamit nyo. Or you can skip to this timestamp. So first is go to our website and scroll down to the bottom part of the web page. You will see there the Be a Seller. So to become one, just click Apply Now. Ay, hindi pa pala to website? Ay, app pa pala. Ah, ano ba to? Okay, sorry. So you will be directed to the Sitaw. Sitaw's terms and condition. And make sure na basahin at intindihin nyo ito muna bago nyo i-click ang I agree. Now, fill out the forms with the details being asked and please double check nyo rin kung tama yung mga information na pinoprovide nyo. Especially yung contact information dahil dyan kayo i-reach out ng ating napakagaling na mga account specialist na mag-guide sa inyo. So you also have to check your email dahil dun din isi-send yung verification code na need nyo na i-enter sa form. So ayun, fill out nyo lang lahat ng fields and then sa referral code, pwede nyo ilagay yung referral code na nag-invite sa inyo or ng mga influencers ng Sitaw. And if wala, don't worry guys dahil hindi naman ito required. Next step is just choose which valid ID you prefer to submit. And then of course, just upload it. Take note din pala guys na persons who are 18 and above are allowed na mag-register dito as a seller. Kaya need din natin mag-provide ng valid ID bukod sa pagiging requirement nito. Then, check nyo lang if na-fill out nyo na lahat ng fields at tamang mga information na nakalagay. And once you're good, just click Register your shop. If you're using the Sitaw mobile application naman, you have to sign up first for an account. So as you open the app, click the sign up and then provide all the details needed. Enter the verification code na ma-receive nyo sa email nyo. And then check the box for the terms and agreement and once of course you have read and understood it. Madadirect na kayo sa loob ng platform. Then para maging seller, go to the account tab. Scroll down and click the Be a Seller. Ipoprovide nyo na lang yung mga information na kailangan. Dito sa Sitaw na app, bukod sa proof lang ng valid ID, need nyo rin mag-upload ng selfie para ma-verify na sa inyo talaga ang account. And of course, double check all the details you just have typed. And when you're done, click Register your shop. You're done! Ganun lang kadali maging seller sa Sitaw. You just have to wait at most 24 hours para ma-verify ang shop nyo. Keep your lines open because your account specialist will reach out to you either sa email or sa contact number na pinrovide nyo. Pwede nyo rin sila i-contact pag meron kayong questions or concerns about sa stores or accounts nyo. Kung nagtataka kayo kung paano gamitin at i-maximize si Sitaw, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil pwede nyong panoorin yung mga tutorial videos na niready namin para sa inyo. Just check out our YouTube channel and our social media pages to learn more. Register na to earn more profit at your own comfort and also to become part of our growing Sitaw family. Happy selling!